Hello.
How did you be a style award journalist? So, how are you participating? Are you getting an award? Do you ever getting an award?
I hope I get an award. I'm very happy to be here. I usually don't like to answer the question before I actually get an award, because if I don't, then you'll ask me this question. आपने तो बोला था award मिल रहा है. So I hope I win an award. I'm really happy to be here. I'm happy to participate with Femina. It's a really nice award, and I hope it's going to be a fun evening. Yeah.
Would you like to tell us something about your attire? Who are you wearing today?
So I'm dressed by Anisha. She usually dresses me. She did all my promotions for Rangoon and stuff. So she's dressed me again tonight.
Shahid, I know it's a different question, but one thing is that we know what happened exactly,
Yeah.
but we don't know why of it. Like, we know it was...
That's exactly where I am right now. I am aware that there has been some disruption that has happened. I am aware that a certain amount of costumes have got burnt. I'm aware everybody is safe and nobody's been harmed. I'm aware that the shooting has wrapped up and the team is coming back. What I'm not aware of is who has done it. So I don't really think I can comment on who has done it, and obviously the reaction will depend on that. But it is unfortunate that something like this has happened for the second time. And as soon as I guess there is a little more clarity, one will be able to give a slightly more elaborate comment, and I will also it'll also need to be defined by the production how they want to respond to this. But I'm aware that they're going to be filing an FIR. That's something that I heard and I was told. So I'm guessing something like that will happen. I don't think so. I don't think any of the principal actors were on set.
Shahid, I want to know why the Bollywood celebrity has targeted all the timeline.
Why do you want to know? I want to know this. I am the actor. I have no idea what you're talking about. Sorry. I don't know what you're talking about.
Some of the sections of media and so what is
Well, first of all, I think what Meera spoke, she started the conversation by saying that these are my personal comments. I don't think she made a direct comment in anybody or any category of women, so to say. I think she was talking from a very personal standpoint. And I think Meera is speaking for a section of women who really aren't being represented, you know. There are times where those women feel like they should not be celebrated, or they should not, women, and by that I mean women who might not be doing a job, women who might choose to be at home, have a baby and take care of that baby, and consider that something important enough to do. At a certain stage in your life, at a different stage in your life, you might choose to do something else. Like I took 5 months off when I was having Nisha because I felt it was important for me to be with my wife and my child. You know, so that's a choice that you make out of a certain sense of independence. And I think there are very few people who are actually showing any kind of appreciation towards these women. I don't think what a mother does for a child is something that should not be appreciated. They should feel empowered and they should feel self-assured about the fact that they are extremely important, and what they do is as important as any other job. I personally feel that I might be today the one who goes to work between me and Meera as husband and wife, but I think what she's doing for Misha is far more important and far more relevant. I really wish I could, but between the two of us, one of us has to go to work, so I happen to be that person. So I think she was speaking from a very positive space. I do understand that everybody has a strong point of view and people can get hurt about things, but I think we're in a time where everybody's getting hurt about everything. So I honestly don't think it makes any sense to try and keep everybody happy. We're also in a time where if anybody who's important or is being given importance says something, a lot of people want to gain importance by saying something against them. So we just live in that kind of a time. I personally went through her entire interview. In fact, I even retweeted it because I felt what she's saying is really relevant. All she's saying is that women should have the right to choose. You want to go to work, men should respect that. You want to stay at home and take care of a child, or you want to stay at home and be a housewife, men should learn to respect housewives as well. Why should only be people who are going and earning money be given respect? There are so many areas which are equally important. I think a home runs only when all those areas are balanced out. And I think that's what she was trying to say. She used the word balance a lot. She always said I think she spoke about the fact that men and women shouldn't be against each other, they should be working with each other. I think she spoke very clearly about the fact that she has complete respect for people and the choices that they make, but her choice is to stay at home and take care of the baby. So I'm very proud of what she said, and I think she did a great job. And I guess this is what it means to be a celebrity. Now she'll have to get used to a little bit of criticism here and there. She's a strong girl, she takes it with a pinch of salt, so I think she'll be good. Thank you.
Shahid, can you pose for Nykaa, please?
What do you want me to say?
Nykaa, can you pose for Nykaa?
Pose for Nike.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You look amazing.